Hey everyone, it's Scott with TrendPunk Product Reviews, and today we are looking at the Star Wars Mandalorian holding "This is the way to trick or treat" sign, Halloween inflatable. As you can see, it comes in a very nice box, very sturdy, so you can repack it when you don't want to use it, but it's easy to pull out, and it's pretty easy. In fact, it's so easy, you're gonna think you have the Force. Just plug it in, and a few seconds later, you've got yourself a 5-foot tall Mandalorian ready to greet your trick-or-treaters. The material is sturdy. It also lights up. It does already have sand in it to weight it down, but it can also be tethered down in case it's really windy out. But we've owned this for a few years now, and it still looks brand new. So if you love Star Wars, you're a big fan of Halloween, this is the perfect gift for you. We here at TrendPunk Product Reviews highly recommend it. 2 thumbs up. This is the way.